Daniel, and sitting across from me, as always, is Mia.
Hi, Daniel. And hello to all of our amazing listeners around the world. Whether you're walking, cooking, relaxing, or maybe still in bed, we're happy you're here spending time with us.
Mia, how's your English learning going this week? Any progress? Any challenges?
Well, a little of both. I've been trying to speak more English at home, but honestly, sometimes I forget. Sometimes I remember, but I still talk to myself in my native language. And sometimes I just feel silly.
Yes, that's very common. And actually, that leads us perfectly into today's topic. Today, we're talking about how to make daily English conversation at home. Not outside, not with a partner, not in a classroom, but right where you are. Because many learners think, I can only improve speaking if I have someone to talk to. But that's not true. You can start right now, at home, with the things and moments around you. A while ago, I had a student named Nisha from India. She wanted to speak English fluently, but she lived with her parents, and they only spoke their native language. She told me, Daniel, I want to speak English, but nobody around me speaks it. So I gave her a small challenge. Speak English to objects in your home. At first, she laughed. She said, You want me to talk to the refrigerator? And I said, Yes, absolutely. She tried it. The next week, she came back smiling and told me, Daniel, my refrigerator knows my secrets. We both laughed, but something incredible happened. Her speaking became smoother. Her thoughts in English became faster. She stopped translating so much. And most importantly, she felt more comfortable speaking English.
But maybe the refrigerator is the perfect partner.
Exactly. Practicing at home is one of the safest, easiest, and most natural ways to start speaking, even if you're a beginner. So today, we're going to talk about how to create daily English conversation at home without feeling awkward and without needing anyone else. Before we start with strategies, let's talk about why most learners don't practice speaking at home. There are 3 main reasons. Reason number 1. It feels strange. Talking to yourself or objects feels unusual at first. But remember, children learn language by talking to dolls, toys, pets, anything. Speaking alone isn't strange. It's natural language training. Reason number 2. You don't know what to say. Many learners freeze because they don't have a plan or topic. We'll fix that today. Reason number 3. You think it doesn't count. But speaking, even alone, builds muscle memory, fluency, and confidence. Your brain doesn't know the difference between a real conversation and practice. It only knows repetition.
So practicing alone really does help.
Absolutely. And now I'll show you how to do it. Methods to make daily English conversation at home. Here are 5 simple ways to practice English every day at home. Method 1. Narrate your day. Narration means talking through what you're doing. For example, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. I'm washing the dishes. I'm choosing clothes. No big sentences, just daily actions. This helps your brain connect English to real life. Method 2. Object conversations. Pick any object in your home and speak about it. Examples: chair. This chair is brown. I use it when I work. Apple. This apple looks fresh. I'm going to eat it later. Laptop. You help me study and work. Yes, it sounds funny, but it trains fluency fast.
I can already imagine myself saying,
Method 3. Talk to yourself in the mirror. This builds confidence and body language awareness. You can say, "Hi, how are you today? What are your plans? How do you feel?" Pretend you're meeting someone, but the someone is you. Method 4. Describe thoughts and feelings. Instead of thinking, "I'm tired," say it out loud. I feel tired because I didn't sleep enough. I need rest. Or, I'm excited. Something good is happening today. This builds emotional vocabulary. Method 5. Create mini role plays. Imagine scenarios like ordering food, asking for directions, talking to a friend, asking for help, introducing yourself. Say both sides of the conversation if needed. For example, you, "Hi, can I have a coffee, please?" Barista, "Sure, small or large?" You, "Large, please."
I like that. It's like practicing before the real moment happens.
Exactly. It prepares your brain. The simple framework: 3, 5, 10 minutes. Here's an easy routine. 3 minutes, narrate your actions. 5 minutes, talk about an object. 10 minutes, role play a conversation. Total, 18 minutes a day. But even 5 to 8 minutes helps. To make this easier, here are some bonus suggestions. Tip 1. Start small. Don't try to sound perfect. Just speak. Tip 2. Repeat phrases. Repetition builds fluency. Tip 3. Use simple English. Simple doesn't mean bad. It means clear. Tip 4. Celebrate mistakes. Mistakes mean progress. Learning English is like growing a plant. You don't pour water once and expect flowers. You water it a little, every day. And slowly, quietly, growth happens. Speaking English at home is that daily water. If practicing English at home has ever felt silly, weird, or hard, please remember, you're not talking to walls. You're building fluency. You're training your brain. You're preparing for real conversations. And one day, someone will ask you a question in English, and the words will come without effort.
And it will.
With small steps, with consistency, with patience. Here's your challenge. Down below, comment one sentence starting with, "Today, I practiced English at home by," example, "by talking to my mirror," or "by describing my breakfast," or "by role-playing ordering food." Just one sentence in English.
And remember, we read your comments.
If this episode helped you, give it a like and subscribe. It supports more learners. And if you're ready for the next step, our next lesson is Daily English for Students. School Life Conversation Practice.
So don't stop now. Keep going.
Thank you for being here.
Bye, everyone.